This is the Aqara Indoor Security Camera. It has a super crisp 2K resolution and 360-degree viewing camera. This is what the inside of the box looks like. The camera has night vision and two-way audio. It has features like motion detection, human tracking, and video recording. It's small and fits in my hand like so. It does have a little bit of weight to it, but not heavy at all. Here is the power cable. It doesn't come with a wall adapter, so you'll need to have your own if you don't have a USB outlet. It comes with screws and a wall plate so you can easily secure it onto a wall or other surfaces. The wall plate attaches onto the camera like so. Here's the manual with setup instructions. Here I'm plugging the power cable into the camera. After I plugged it in, the camera turned on and started spinning. A red light also turned on. In the Aqara app, I press on Add Accessory and look for the indoor security camera. There's a QR code on the camera. I scan that. Once it's paired successfully to the app, you can explore the features and settings.
Wi-Fi connecting. Please wait. The account is bound successfully. Welcome aboard.
You can set up automations in the app and control the angle of the camera. You can even set a predefined angle so that it will always reset to that angle after it moves.